Hi folks, I'm Mark with Artisan Restoration, and as you well can see, I'm looking at another log home today over by Stillwater, and we actually were here 10 years ago, but the fella's not taking care of it. He's an airline pilot and seems like he's flying around all the time and doing something else when he gets home. So he's glad to see me again, and we're here to see what we could do to get this thing back into shape. It's got permachink finish on it, and it should have been recoated 5 years ago. So let's take a closer look at the whole thing as I finish my inspection. Really didn't have to do any log replacement on it, but the finish has been neglected, and it's really a shame because he actually built the house. You know, he's got a lot of labor, a lot of love in this thing. So this is kind of facing off to the west. You can see the finish is off the top of the logs there, getting bleached out pretty bad. So we're gonna have to do spot staining and things there, and probably just end up recoating the whole thing and then coat those twice. The hard part is up there. I don't know. We didn't use a lift before, but I ain't getting any younger, and I don't like that height, that high work so much anymore. So anyhow, we may get one for that and for this area here, which is pretty high off the ground, and we got no flat surfaces around here to go and put scaffolding and ladders on and all those things it takes to do the job safely. So we come around here to the front. And it's not in real bad shape, but that backside seems to be the worst. So anyhow, I'll do a little close up here. The ends could use ingrain sealer, but yeah, it's going to take a good pressure washing. Some log wash probably is all we need to do. And these log railings are so much fun to do. So we got two dormers up on top. They're a little close to the roof surface, so might have some damage up there on the bottom logs, but anyway, this is it. This is the Harper house. Well, anyway, we'll be over here probably this summer and put a new finish on it, and hopefully he takes care of it or gets rid of it. Take care, folks. Happy Easter.